Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. Sorry, there is some delay because I have some medical problem. So, every day I have to go for physiotherapy. So, for the next few days, this post market will be a little late. Yesterday, I came out with the Wall Street Week Ahead program and I mentioned very clearly now the market from buy on dip, now it has changed to sell on rise markets. And the Friday's price action was very clear that the market has made a immediate short-term top. The market is clearly on the downtrend. And I said very clearly that 14,660 is the top at least for another 1 or 2 weeks and at least for this week. What happened? And today the Asian market opened negative. In fact, last Friday in US markets, JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, Wells Fargo and all three companies have declared very good results, but despite declaring very good results, and all of them fell about 5 to 8%. And now the short sellers have taken a clue. Even after good results, the stocks are not going higher. And Infosys fell. HCL Technology fell. And plus, the dollar index was moving higher. It's inching towards 91. That is not good for emerging markets. And the global cues were negative. So, we were expected to open around 50-60 point lower, but in the pre-market, they have shown extraordinary plus. And I always tell you, whenever the global cues are weak and SGX Nifty indicating lower opening, and in the pre-market, if they are showing very big plus, that means that day the market is going for very big minus. And it's exactly the opposite. Whenever global cues are very good and SGX Nifty is showing very big plus, and if here in the pre-market if they are opening, if they are showing very big negative, that means the market will shoot up. And as expected, the markets fell. And in my blog also, I have written you can sell call options and above 14,700. And today when the market opened higher, I took that opportunity to sell call options aggressively. And after that, what happened? Everyone knows. But today, what we did not expect is the kind of volatility. The volatility index shot up above 25. But even in US, it did not cross 25. The option premiums are so high. And Bank Nifty opened, then shot up nearly 200 to 250 point. From there, it fell at 650 point, then again shot up 400 point, and again falling 500 point. It was going all over the places. You always remember my joke about Apple and motorbike, and HDFC Bank, despite declaring such a good result, it did not even close 1% higher. And many people in my timeline, they were commenting, sir, in US, those three stocks have shot up in the last 1 month and that's why they fell after result. But HDFC Bank has underperformed for last 1 month, so surely it will go up. Yes, it went up, but what happened at the end of the day? It was not even 1% higher. And look at the call options and put options on all premiums have fallen. And in fact, my YouTube Pro members, they're making very good profit in the result season. They made good profit in Infosys, they made good profit in TCS, and they made good profit in HDFC Bank also. And it was only HDFC Bank and Reliance which saved the market from collapsing. And Reliance Industries declared the result date, that is coming Friday. And Reliance Industries, there are a lot of shorts, and once you may remember, whenever there are huge shorts ahead of the results, there will be some short covering, and whenever there's a huge long ahead of the results, there will be profit booking. In case of Reliance, the shorts are so huge, they are not covering one day before the results, they are covering the day when they declare the date of the results. That is a kind of shorts. And you can see the whole market was falling. Reliance Industries is up nearly 3%. So that is expected. And probably it may fall again after the results. Today, all the indices fell, and mid cap and small cap all fell much more than the large cap, and PSU banks all fell, and State Bank fell nearly 5% from intraday high. You name anything and everything fell. And this is expected, and I always tell, bull market corrections are fast and furious. And that is what you have seen. Just in 2 trading sessions, Nifty has fallen almost 40 points, 400 points, sorry. At the end of the day, I checked the data. FIIs have bought for 650 crores, DII sold for 42 crores. So net institutional is still plus 600 crore. But still, why the markets fell? That's because FIIs, they are unwinding their long position from futures and options segment. And in the very short term, the market sentiment is determined by the behavior of the FIIs in the F&O segment rather than the cash segment. Now, very important question. What next? Will the market continue to fall or the market crash? Just 2 days market fall, you go to my timeline, people always say Nifty coming to 7,000, Nifty coming to 10,000, Nifty coming to 11,000, all kinds of things. But don't worry, market is still bullish in the long term, and this is very, very short term. And because the markets have shot up so much and it is correcting, the people are booking profit. And as I told you in the Dalal Street week ahead, I am expecting 14,000 to be a very, very strong support. And today, the US markets are closed, so there will be no global cues, and Asian markets are futures are showing slightly positive. In fact, European markets are also mostly flat with some negative bias and some positive bias. And already SGX Nifty is trading around 30-40 points higher, and we can expect the market to stabilize for 1 or 2 more days. And once the Joe Biden's inauguration ceremony is over, and we can expect the volatility to come down towards the end of the week. And we also have to watch closely the corporate results. And so far, the corporate results have been good, and we have to see how the Reliance Industries will be declaring the results on Friday. And Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Auto, JSW Steel, these are all few stocks that will be declaring the results in this week. And surprisingly, when the whole market is very, very negative, ITC has been doing very well. And so many people trolled me for recommending ITC, but look, now it is outperforming. And from the price I recommended, it has shot up almost 10%. So those who have invested, they have made good profit, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.